This is cool. Oh, yo, sick, banger.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm in the new update.
Your
and
eyes,
I don't know what's
girl,
going.
look.
I'm
And
gonna.
when we go to the Backrooms, my parents are gonna kill me. Like every other place.
Down the stair. It's here. It's here. Wait. Here. Oh, wait.
Crap.
This is from the Backrooms movie. You know, with the furniture?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
There's a door.
Another door. Here, let's look for some prune juice. Prune juice.
Dumb, actually, now. I've been here. Wait, but guys! Jackson? Wait, over here. In the Backrooms.
Guys, watch out for Captain Crunch. Ooh, wait. I might need this.
It's Captain Crunch in here. Hush.
No, it's
Captain Crunch. No, it's just a guys, it's a big room. Save. Okay.
Gorilla
I've been here before.
Gorilla sounds. Wait, this is level 181, I think. 184 or something.
This is big, scary level. I've been here. Guys, I've been here. What?
This is
I've been here. 1 second. No! Guys, I gotta go.
There's an entrance. Oh my gosh! I think I'm losing my sanity. I saw like
there's nothing in there.
I saw a porcupine. I saw
like
a porcupine.
Follow me. A porcupine. I saw that too.
Dude.
Yeah, but you
Oh no. I see why they said do not enter.
Like to the background?
Guys, I see why.
I see why I'm
scared. Do a video with me.
Don't worry, guys.
Wait, bro. Then I would.
This looks like the small.
Watch the video about this. I know every record for life.
Here, I'll get it.
Stay away from me. I'm actually.
Why do I hear like a ghost?
Kind of sounds like me whenever I'm talking.
Now wait a minute.
That isn't the one.
Wait, exit. I think this is.
The backroom's up this here already.
But guys, let's keep moving. But first, I'll get some.
Oh my God!
I am a freaking arc.